Chovanes coming up to the starting gate next. He will be followed by Fellowship. Mahesto and Take It to the Edge moving in. The 2-year-old champion Nyquist heads up to the starting gate along with Fashionable Freddie. Here's Mohaymen, Coping Away, and Isofast will be the last one. They're all in line and we're ready for the start. They're off in the Florida Derby. And Nyquist had a beautiful start. Chovanes is away with speed on the outside. Sawyer's Mickey came out running in third, and Mohaymen is right there, but caught wide into that turn. 4 deep for Mohaymen into the first turn. And then a long shot, Coping Away, who's in between horses. Mahesto is down on the inside. Take It to the Edge will have to come off the pace here. 4 lengths off the lead early on. A break of 2.5 to Isofast, who races to the outside of Fashionable Freddie, while Fellowship is last early. The first quarter was in 23 3/5 seconds, and Nyquist will lead the field onto the back stretch of the Florida Derby. Nyquist a half length in front of Chovanes. Sawyer's Mickey is next, and Mohaymen is right there in fourth, outside of horses, 2 lengths off the lead, and not far behind at all up the back stretch. And then in between horses is Coping Away. Take It to the Edge. Mahesto on the inside. Fashionable Freddie right alongside of Fellowship. Isofast, last of them all, 6 lengths off the lead after a 47 flat half mile. So Nyquist is a half mile from home in the Florida Derby and leads it by a neck. Sawyer's Mickey on the inside. There goes Mohaymen now. Mohaymen is moving on the outside of horses. Coping Away is in fourth, and then comes Mahesto around the far turn. And here's the battle. It is Nyquist in front, and Mohaymen has moved up into second on the outside. And the two of them will come toward the top of the stretch together. 3/4 in 1, 11 and 1. And they're into the stretch. And it's Nyquist and Mohaymen in their bi-coastal battle at the top of the stretch. On the inside is Mahesto, and third. Nyquist has moved away. Mohaymen has no answer today. On the inside is Mahesto, and then comes Fellowship. Nyquist drifting out to the center of the track, but he's far in front. And Nyquist is still unbeaten. He has won the Florida Derby. Mahesto was second. Fellowship was third. Mohaymen settles for fourth, and Sawyer's Mickey was fifth. And a final time of 1 minute, 49.11 seconds.